I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation. This is a look at my 10-pound poultry feeder from Rent-A-Coop. This is my favorite feeder for my backyard chickens. We're all hanging out over here, staying away from the video I'm shooting. And I like this because this has this little dispenser here where they can put their heads in and eat the food. And so you can load up an entire 10-pound bag of feed. You basically open the top here. This is an anti-roosting top. Pour the feed in, you can see it in there. And then this goes back on. This stops them from roosting on top of it. And it screws them to the wall of your coop, as I've done here. And then it just dispenses the food, and they can stick their heads in and eat it inside of there. And you'd think they might be leery of doing that, but actually they pretty quickly learn how to eat from it. Maybe we'll catch one of them doing that if I pan out here. And the nice thing with it is that because it's constantly feeding that food down as they eat it, you can put in that whole 10-pound bag, and it'll last them for quite a long time. Even my 6-bird flock, that'll last them for, probably a week at least. And another nice thing about it is that because it's contained in there and they're putting their heads in order to eat, it doesn't get strewn all over the coop quite as much. So chickens are kind of messy eaters. If you put out just food trays, they'll kick it and scratch it all over. And this just brings the food up off the ground, helps to prevent rodents, and makes it a lot easier for them to eat without covering your coop in a ton of spilled food. Also less wasteful that way, because you're not wasting food. There we go. Elsa's going to go ahead and demonstrate that for us. You can see they have no problem eating from it, and it works great. This is definitely my favorite of all the different poultry feeders I have tested.